Good day friends. My another topic in power lecture series is SCR, Silicon Control Rectifier. It is a very important component of power electronics. We can say whole power electronics is based on SCR, Silicon Control Rectifier. Basically it is a 3 junction, 4 layer and 3 terminal device. You can see here. P and anode, cathode, and this one is gate. Okay, the 4 layer PN, we can see P1, N1, P2, N2. PN layer, 4 layer, 3 terminal is anode, cathode and gate. 3 terminal, and junction is one junction way J1, J2 and J3. So it is a 4 layer, 3 junction, 3 terminal device. So this is a symbol of SCR. It is basically a PN junction diode with a gate terminal, anode, cathode and gate, and working as we all know that it is a 4 layer, 3 junction, 3 terminal device. It works in 3 conduction mode: forward blocking mode, forward conjunction mode and reverse blocking mode. When forward blocking mode, J1 and J3 will be in forward biasing. J1 and J3 will be in forward biasing and J2 will be in reverse biasing. From here we can see that J1 and J3 will be forward biasing. Okay, so anode to cathode will be forward like this. So J1 and J3 will be forward bias and J2 will be in reverse bias, because not any kind of voltage will be given to J2, so it is in reverse biasing. Okay, so that is called forward blocking mode. Okay, and for reverse biasing, anode we can forward blocking mode we can call him, and this is reverse blocking mode. Okay, reverse blocking mode is when J1 and J3 in reverse bias. J1 and J3 is in reverse biasing and J2 will be in forward biasing. That is called reverse blocking mode. And forward conjunction mode is that when J1, J2 and J3 all are in forward biasing, or we can check from the characteristics further. Okay, so that is reverse blocking mode, and this is forward blocking mode. And forward conjunction mode is when all the terminal J1, J2 and J3 all are working, or all are in conjunction mode. That is called forward conjunction mode. This is a characteristics of SCR. You can see from this, basically IV characteristic, current and voltage characteristics of SCR. Okay, so we can see when J1 forward bias, when forward blocking mode, with when J1 and J3 in forward biasing and J2 is in reverse bias, some small current will flow. We can see from here some small current will flow. Okay, then after, when we increase the voltage between J1 and J3, P and anode, cathode. Okay, this one, when it is in forward bias, so current between anode to cathode will not flow. Some leakage current will flow because J2, J1 and J3. J2 in reverse bias, so some leakage current will flow, and after having the breakdown, voltage start to decrease and current suddenly increase from anode to cathode. So this is called forward blocking mode. This is called forward blocking mode when some leakage current is flow from anode to cathode. Okay, so after the breakdown, or we can say at Ig 0, gate current is 0. So voltage from anode to cathode, okay, voltage anode to cathode is decrease and current suddenly increase. So this is forward conjunction mode. We can say forward, this can be called forward conjunction mode. Okay, now for a reverse side, when reverse anode to cathode, we can say J1 and J3 in reverse bias and J2 is in forward bias. Some leakage current will flow. After a reverse breakdown, sudden negative current will flow. Okay, so this is called forward breakdown and this is called reverse breakdown, where J1 and J3. So the battery will be like this. Okay, so J1 and J3 will be in reverse bias. After a reverse breakdown, then after a breakdown of J2, small sudden current will flow. Okay, that is called reverse breakdown. RBO, reverse breakdown, and FBO is forward breakdown. Okay, if we want to change the power, gate current is also applied. A gate current can also be applied. For different gate current, we get different power. Gate current is used to get the earlier breakover voltage. If we increase the gate current, we are able to get the breakover earlier. Okay, so here is Ig3 is greater than Ig2 is greater than Ig1. So if we increase the gate current, we get breakover earlier. Okay, we can make it like this. Increase. Okay, because breakover is earlier, we are able to get the current earlier. So gate current is used to decrease the breakover voltage, or we are able to get the power earlier. So this is the significance of breakover gate voltage. So this is the characteristics of SCR. If you have any query regarding this SCR, introduction SCR, so you can comment me in a comment box and suggest me if you want to know about something, about another something new about this SCR. Please comment me in a comment box. If you want any notes, I am able to deliver that also in a PDF form. So please comment me in a comment box and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good day.